This installation was filled with balloons. I will explain later, but it is connected to the time when a lot of Estonians were 10,000 people were sent to other locations in the Soviet Union. So this is to commemorate the 75 years of, in Estonia it's called küüditamine. Okay, I'm a bit late. I looked it up, and this wagon is called Wagon of Tears, to commemorate the deportation of thousands of Estonians during the Soviet times, filled with balloons to commemorate each and everyone who was deported. Quite sad occasion. They used 490 wagons in 1941 to deport all the children, women. 490 is quite a lot. They were meticulously counted. I'm quite lucky I don't have to live in these kind of circumstances. But nevertheless, we should not forget, because these kind of totalitarian regimes are still around.